Savage. Monday.
Welcome back, y'all. New episode. We about to show you the pocket that's left for sale, and what else we doing? And the pit bull for sale. Let me make sure I grab the right one. Move, Simba! Your head in the way. Goodness, bro.
Simba.
Got this pocket, y'all. Got this.
Simba, move, boy.
Move.
Y'all can get y'all shine, bro.
Got this pocket up, y'all.
Going for a great price, man.
Great price. Papers in hand, everything. He nice. He wet right now.
Yeah, they've been over there waterlogging.
They stick their head in the water bucket for some reason.
Yeah, he stick his whole head in that.
But definitely let us know if you're interested. Yeah. Most definitely, he is nice.
Lilac try.
Definitely. See that chest, y'all? There you go.
See all the try points too.
Let us know. Don't miss out. This is the last opportunity. Don't miss out.
Yeah, that's the last pocket we got.
I'm not about to catch that. I'm not gonna run around here. Move!
Damn, bro. How you not about to catch it, bro? Shanae, you don't catch that damn pit bull. Come here. Look. Hey, man, trying to show this dog right here, right? I thought you better than me, bro. I would have caught it. She thinks she better than me at the video stuff, bro. And she can't even catch a puppy, bro.
Stop!
Look. She know you trying to get her. Look.
I can't. Look. Again.
Man, I can't let them get their shine, bro. Don't get their shine. Feisty.
Where's Big Rambo?
I don't know where Rambo at.
Huh?
He probably hiding somewhere. Got Taco right here. Simba, where you going? Why you always following people? Rambo!
Hey!
Rambo!
Both of them over here. Biting on bamboo.
Both of who?
Rocky and Rambo right here.
Dang, look. This is the pocket mom, y'all. Beautiful dog. Rambo, come on, man.
Right here.
Come get your shine.
Come over here.
See what these two idiots doing, man. And I gotta stop letting you picking puppies. All y'all pick the retarded ones. Look at these two. Hey, what y'all doing? This is the pocket we keeping. Y'all remember this guy? This guy got big. He almost, he almost the same height as Simba. Rambo. The same height. Rambo, get up. Come here. Come here, Rambo. Get Rambo to get up real quick.
Rambo. Move, Simba, move. Nobody clapping for you. Move, nobody clapping for you, so.
So about to get him up. So we trying to get her, Karen. I got bamboo falling on my head.
No. Rambo.
Somebody by my butt. Get off my butt.
You got two pockets over there.
Simba, go get Rambo out of there. Sit, Simba. Simba, sit down.
Move, so.
This is the jungle, y'all. Look. Got bamboos falling on my head.
Get up, boy.
This is the jungle.
Huh, grab him.
What you doing, bro? I thought you better than me.
No, he's too heavy for me to pick up.
Damn, boy.
God damn.
Come here, Simba. Look at the height. He almost the same height as Simba.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Y'all see, he next up. That's Big Rambo. So need to get out of people's face.
So, alright, here you go. So, look, this soul, y'all. This soul, y'all. This is what she wanted. Damn, nigga, that's my dick.
Stop, Simba!
Ooh, this sold, y'all. She wanted to get showed. Simba, you nut. Look, this Simba, y'all. If you want to jump on people's nut sack, come here. This Simba, y'all. I can't pick him up though. See that?
So want to get picked up again. See what you just started over here in this bamboo?
Look at my leg, bro.
There she go.
I think they're all going on.
Everybody except the 2 XLs. So thinks she fast, y'all. Everybody coming out now.
Watch how quick it's uninterested. Don't forget about this guy, y'all.
That's our keeper.
This is not our keeper.
Oh, it's not?
This is the one that's for sale. Y'all locking on this guy. Nice little pocket, I like try. See that? Man, nice, thick, short, compact. Straight pocket, straight bull. I have to keep a look. I'm about to show y'all this guy. This guy is fat. This guy. This guy is fat. See that?
Keeper. That's Rocky, y'all.
That is Rocky. And he's still a puppy,
Definitely.
but he don't feel like one. Yeah. That's it for y'all, man. Catch us in the next scene, next video.